university. They wanna see me, they go Stevie when they talk to me. You cannot hide.
Do you want to make amazing films and edits like you just saw? Well, the CTE Media Arts Pathway is just the place to do it. Everything you just saw was made by students here at PV. Everything starts somewhere, and the Media Arts Pathway starts with an introductory class, Intro to Multimedia, that you take in your freshman year. This is a semester-long class that teaches students the basics of media with audio, video, and graphic design being taught. This course is very hands-on, developing basic ideas to finalize visions. Following Intro to Multimedia is Video Production 1, where you gain access to higher-end video equipment such as DSLRs in addition to access of our state-of-the-art studio. Additionally, more complex cinematography and editing skills are taught in this course.
Video production has taught me how to work with other people, how to compromise, how to think with other people that maybe you don't know, how to even make new friends too.
Following VP1, you become eligible to join House of Blue, the nationally award-winning capstone class in the program. This is a dual-enrolled 2-period class where you gain college credit while still in high school. Now, upon joining House of Blue, you gain access to a variety of production equipment, including a diverse set of lenses, standalone audio equipment, and high-end mirrorless cameras. House of Blue elevates the fundamentals to something greater, teaching the complexities of programs like After Effects, Premiere, and Lightroom. Over the past 16 years, House of Blue has maintained a tradition of excellence, winning 5 state championships and 1 national championship at Skills USA. Additionally, House of Blue has won 14 state championships at Directing Change.
In addition to House of Blue, upperclassmen are able to take film studies, a class where you get to watch and analyze films, ranging from the classics to modern-day masterpieces.
Film studies is a great class, especially if you love movies. All we do is watch great films, some of the best films ever made, and we can even vote on which ones we want to watch sometimes.
Consider enrolling the PV Media Arts Pathway to develop real-world skills and pursue your passions.